So now that we've defined our website folder within Dreamweaver, we can access Fireworks again. Let's do that from the Start menu. And with Fireworks open, we'll choose the canvas file that we were working with last. That would be the file that we just simply created, optimized all the images for, and created our image slices. Let's zoom in on the file and get rid of some of these palettes. And you'll notice now we have the working file that has all of our optimized images that we're ready to export for the web. Now, as I mentioned, Fireworks actually has 11 different export features. And if you want to export the entire canvas as a web page, HTML and imagery, all we need to do is go into the File menu and we'll choose Export. This is where we'll be able to choose the file we want to export and how we want to export the imagery. Now you'll notice here are all the different options under the Save as Type menu for exporting. We're going to choose HTML and images. When you choose HTML and images, this will allow Fireworks to take all of your imagery and export it onto an HTML table. So basically we can keep the layout and the look and feel that we've created in Fireworks. Now it'll be saved onto a web page. Now there are some other options here that are worth mentioning. The HTML option. You actually have two methods for how you can export the HTML.